and B2B business, Mr. Bert Cheung.
Magandang hapon, everyone. Salamat po. So, it's truly an honor to stand here before you today as we mark the beginning of a meaningful and forward-looking partnership between the TCL Philippines and Oftesda Regional Training Center NCR. So, on behalf of the entire TCL family, I'd like to extend our deepest gratitude to the Oftesda leadership and team for embracing this collaboration with such openness and shared purpose. At TCL, we always believe that innovation is the most meaningful when it creates opportunities. This partnership reflects that belief through the new Oftesda TCL Learning Facility Hub. We aim to provide students with more than just equipment. We are offering real-world training, mentorship from our service experts, and a clear path from education to employment. So this is a part of our long-term commitment to support workforce development in the Philippines and contribute to the strong technical talent pipeline, especially in the field of air conditioning system and service, where demand for skilled professionals continues to grow. So we are proud to align these efforts with Oftesda's National Workforce Development Agenda, and we are committed to supporting its mission, not only with the technology and resources, but also with the genuine partnership, shared values, and a long-term vision. As we look ahead, we are optimistic that this collaboration will serve as a strong foundation for even more innovative and impactful programs together. Thank you once again to our partners at Oftesda for the trust, and thank you all for being here to witness the start of something truly special. So we are looking forward to walking you through the facility later, and we hope this is just the first of many milestones we'll celebrate together. So once again, salamat po everyone.